what you're looking at right now. This influencer? She's not real. I built her entirely with AI. Same face, different outfits, different settings, even her voice, all AI generated. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step from zero. No design skills needed, no expensive software, just a few AI tools and a clear workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your own fully animated, talking AI influencer ready to post. So let's get into it. Okay, so before we touch any AI tool, we need to figure out who our influencer is. Because the more specific you are up front, the more consistent your results will be later. Trust me on this one. So I'm going to start in ChatGPT. I want to create a character concept, basically a profile for my influencer. Here's the prompt I'm using. Create a detailed AI influencer character profile. Include name, age, niche, personality traits, visual appearance, skin tone, hair, eye color, style, typical outfits, and tone of voice. Make her feel like a real lifestyle and fashion creator. And look at what it gives us, a full character breakdown. I've got her name, her vibe, her aesthetic, even her personality. This is going to be the foundation for everything we build. Now I'm also going to ask GPT to give me image generation prompts based on this character. Something like, based on this character profile, write 3 detailed AI image prompts for generating high-quality portrait photos of this AI influencer. Perfect. Now we've got our concept locked in and our prompts ready to go. Let's move to the next step. Alright, now we're going to bring this character to life visually. I will use Nano Banana 2 from Google Flow. You can use Midjourney or Flux as well. I'm going to paste in the prompts that GPT just gave me. Let's see what comes out. Okay, look at these. Already looking really good. What I'm looking for here is a clear, defined face, good lighting, a consistent look across the different outputs. I'm going to generate a few batches and then pick my top 3 to 5 images. These are going to be my base references, so I want to make sure the face feels real, recognizable, and consistent. Don't rush this step. The quality of your base images directly affects how consistent your influencer looks later on. So take your time, regenerate if you need to, and pick the best ones. Alright, our base images are ready. Now it's time to move ahead to another level. Create the actual content with our character. And to do that, I will use Vidu. You may know Vidu as one of the finest AI video generators. However, now it's more powerful with several new features. Let's discover together. If you are new to Vidu, I will put a link in the description. Just grab the link, click on Try Vidu, and create an account. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. Okay, now we're inside Vidu. And this is where things start getting really fun. First, we will create the image content. So, come to the Images tab, and then select the Reference to Image feature. What this does is take your base images and generate new variations. The same face, but with different outfits, poses, and settings. First of all, we have to create the reference. So, I am clicking here. Here, you can see 2 sample references. To create a new reference, click on the plus button. Now, here you will find 3 options: static reference, dynamic reference, and prompt reference. As we want to replicate our influencer, I will use the static reference. Now we have to upload the reference images. First, upload the best and front-facing image as the main reference. Once the image is uploaded, we can upload 2 more reference images. Once all the images are ready, we have to enter a name. I am entering my influencer name. Next, we can set a timbre or voice for the reference. This feature will be very helpful later while we create the video. In the end, we can set the tags. Once done, click here. On the next step, it will show the analysis result of your reference. If you are satisfied, click here, and our reference image is set. And now we can move ahead and create our content. To do that, just select the reference from here. Once the model is added, we have to enter the text prompt to indicate what we need in our images. I already collected some prompts, and now I am entering them. After entering the prompt, set the image generation model. I will set the latest Vidu Q2 model. After that, set the image resolution and aspect ratio of the image. In the end, set the number of images you want to generate, and then hit the Create button. And here it is. The image is ready. You can see the result. This is our character. No changes in facial features, hair color, or body type. It looks exactly like our influencer model. but now in a different outfit and settings. This is really amazing. I like it. So, character consistency is not an issue now. Okay, let's create some more images. I am entering another prompt. After entering the prompt, I will set all other settings and then create the images. And here it is. The character remains the same, but the settings are now different. There is another interesting feature. You can create images with multiple references. Imagine you want to feature a dog as your influencer's dog, and it looks different in every photo. That's bad. But if you train a new reference with the dog and then create images with that reference, it will be the same in every image. Okay, so we can now create consistent images with our influencer, and now it's time to talk about the video. There are two ways. You can turn your images into video clips using the image to video. However, I am going to use the reference to video to create unique videos with our character. This is the reference to the Video Maker interface. Here you will add video reference or image reference. I will go with an image reference at this time. I am selecting my character reference. After that, we have to enter the prompt. Once the prompt is ready, set the model. I will use the latest Vidu Q2 Pro model. After that, select the video duration that supports up to 8 seconds. Next, we have dubbing mode. You can generate mute videos, or with sound, or even voice. Next, set the video resolution and encoder. In the end, set the aspect ratio and number of videos you want to generate. Once everything is set, hit the Create button and wait for some time. And here it is. The video is ready. And look at this. This is our character. So, now we can just select our character and create a consistent video within a second. You can even create videos with lip sync. Let's create one. Just enter the prompt, select the sound effects and voice option from the dubbing mode, and then generate the video. And this is the resulting video.
The advancements in AI for the medical sector are truly incredible, revolutionizing diagnostics and personalizing patient treatments.
Now imagine I want to promote this product with my influencer. So I will add another reference, just uploading the product image. Now enter the text prompt and set all other settings, and then generate the video like that.
I finally found my signature scent. This wild iris perfume is just everything. It's elegant and mysterious.
You can even add video references to create similar videos also. So, now we can create extremely consistent images and videos using only Vidu AI. It has many other features, and recently released Vidu Q3 can generate high-quality multi-shot video. So, if you want to create your own influencer or build a brand new influencer, don't forget to try Vidu AI. The link will be in the description. Alright friends, I'll wrap up our video now. Before that, if you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!